Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. This video is just really going to be showing about how these Shop Miss AOA argan oil sponge soap and brush soap work. So I bought these again when I went to Dallas to the Grapevine Shop Miss A store. And forgive me if I sound a little crazy, I'm tired. It's probably running about 9 o'clock in the evening, been busy all day. Anyways, y'all, this is the one I'm going to do, the argan oil sponge soap and then the argan oil brush soap. Again, these run $155 on the website. They're a special edition. Again, part of the proceeds always go towards the protecting towards animals against abuse, which I'm all for. I haven't seen too many videos on these, really none at all. If you guys go to the website, it kind of gives you just a breakdown, a small video how to use them. I just wanted to make a video personally just to show how I like the particular item. So I guess the first one we can start off with is let's go and start off with the sponge one. Now again, this one here, I haven't even used these yet. They come like in a little tin. Man, y'all, I hope I can. Let me fix my camera. Alright, maybe that'll be a little better so I don't keep having to go down. So again, I'm gonna start with and again, this one, it's still wrapped up in plastic, as you can see. I know they have another scent, I think it's like the rose scent. But that one, I really didn't pay attention to what I was getting when I bought it, so let me open this up real quick and I'll be right back. And this is what it looks like. It looks like just a thick bar, and it smells really, really good. Again, y'all, I'm not the best at these videos. I just really want to give a breakdown on what I think of this particular item. Now, if you go to the Shop Miss A website, you'll see the particular item. They're the Paw Paw Sponge Cleaning Soap. Serene, yeah. It normally just tells you kind of how to use the product. So you want to completely soak the makeup sponge with clean water, which I have here, which is 2 beauty blender, and this is actually their Paw Paw blender. So I have 2, and then we're gently. It says gently rub all sides of the sponge. I don't know if you guys can see this or not. Let me see. And then it says gently rub all sides of the sponge over the soap bar. Squeeze and rub the sponge in your hands to work the soap in. Rinse out sponge under clean water and let soap dry before closing the lid. Again, these items are vegan, paraben free, cruelty free, no animal testing. I mean, what more can you ask for, right? So again, it gives you a list of the ingredients. We're gonna go over and see how we like it. So as I said, this is the directions. We're gonna completely. Alright, so let's start that again, y'all. And then just gonna rub the sides on and see how it works. Now you see, look at all that makeup coming out. And remind you, this is one that's very, very dirty. And it says before you close the container to at least wait 2 to 3 minutes. Look at all that. To clean those 2 sponges with this soap literally took me probably about a good 10 minutes. So, I mean, normally when I wash it with just regular soap, like, it doesn't normally take me that long. I guess because maybe the product has more chemical what I use versus this that is not full of harsh chemicals. But I mean, for $155, I mean, you really can't beat it. So the next one that I'm going to try, guys, is the brush soap. Again. And then I don't know if you can see in this one, you guys, it looks like the bristles. Not bristles. It kind of looks like little sprinkles or something in there. I guess it's maybe help exfoliate with the bristles. This one doesn't smell as good as the other one, even though it's argan oil, but it still, I mean, doesn't have a bad scent. Again, on this item, on the shopmissa website, you'll have this under the Paw Paw Brush Cleaning Soap Breeze. There's a small detailed video normally on how they use it. Again, are also on the website. All we're going to do is wet the makeup brush with water. We're going to swirl the brush over the soap until all the hairs are coated with soap. You can use the AOA brush cleaning egg to deep clean, which they have one on their site that you can use, but I have my own mat here that I use. And then like any other one, you're going to let the soap dry before closing the lid on that product. So let's get to it. Now again, I have a very, very dirty brush, so I'm really excited to see how this is kind of going to work out. And so all we're going to do is just wet our brush, and then we're going to dip it in the product. And you can see my brush is already filthy, so it says kind of just to coat it. Okay. So then we're going to come in here. And just get a little bit more soap on here, because this is a thicker brush. And you see from the mat, it took out a lot of product. Alright, and then product, I mean makeup from the brush. So I'm gonna just try to clean it again, because I like a thorough clean on my brushes. Alright. This is done on the argan oil sponge soap. And on the Argan Oil Brush Soap, Sponge Soap, and Brush Soap. Alright, y'all. Would I recommend them? The brush soap, definitely. For the sponge soap, it's not a bad soap. I feel like it takes a little bit longer versus just normally sometimes it'll take less work with like a different type of brush or sponge cleanser or whatnot. But I mean, definitely worth the $155. Would I purchase both of them again? Yeah, I would if I'm on a budget. That brush soap